case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the landmark 2011 case, Freda v. Commissioner, the United States Court of Appeals for the Seventh Circuit had to grapple with a contentious tax dispute. Could a $15.3 million payout from a trade secret misappropriation lawsuit be filed as ordinary income or long-term capital gain? The case arose after Pizza Hut was accused of stealing trade secrets from sausage titan C&F Packing, shining a spotlight on the taxation of settlement payments. In 2002, C&F Packing slapped Pizza Hut with a lawsuit after alleging trade secret misappropriation. After a bitter legal battle, both parties reached a settlement of $15.3 million. But when C&F Packing tried to enjoy their victory and filed the payment as a long-term capital gain on their tax forms, the Commissioner of Internal Revenue balked at the declaration. As the oversight body saw it, the $15.3 million should have been taxed as ordinary income, a position C&F's shareholders passionately disputed. The argument hinged on the nature of the payment. Was it compensation for lost profits and royalties, thus classifying it as ordinary income? Or was it reparation for the devaluation of a capital asset, which would make it eligible for a long-term capital gain? Eventually, the dispute found its way to court where the tax commissioner won the day. The court sided with the Commissioner of Internal Revenue, ruling that the settlement was compensation for lost profits, and as such, should be taxed as ordinary income. Notably, the court found no evidence to suggest the payment was for trade secrets, making it eligible for capital gains treatment. This decision required C&F Packing to pony up for taxes, landing a telling blow to the company after its legal victory against Pizza Hut. It also set a firm precedent for cases involving the taxation of settlement payments, emphasizing that the nature of compensation must be explicitly reflected in the settlement agreement for it to qualify for capital gains treatment.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind, leave the stress of class.